Welcome to American Plumbing and Heating. We're a family-owned and operated plumbing contractor. We've been serving Casper and the surrounding areas since 1989. We specialize in plumbing and heating concerns for commercial and residential customers. We can perform septic system, sewer and water line, or boiler repair and replacements. We're also expert kitchen and bathroom remodelers. When you work with us, you're working with Master Plumber with over 30 years of experience, so you can be sure it will be done right. Call us for plumbing and heating solutions today.